You looking for smelly fish? Eva. Eva. You got Elmo? Show mommy Elmo. Show me Elmo. You got Elmo? Okay. Come here. Hey. Eva. Eva. Hi. Oh, you're almost there. Come on, you can do it. Can you get up all by yourself? Oh, almost. That's the hard part, isn't it? Come on. Get your cup. I think your hands are too full, sweetheart. You have Elmo, yes. You did it! Yay! Good job, honey. Do you want to see if Daddy's home yet? Do we go in the kitchen and see if Daddy's home? Go see if Daddy's home. Where you going? You looking for Daddy? Quick, huh? Yeah. Oops. Alright, let's say bye-bye to the camera. Can you say bye-bye? Can Elmo say bye-bye? Eva. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.